Hi, welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. Today we're talking about how to duplicate a list on ClickUp. Maybe you want to create a copy of a set of tasks, subtasks, or projects within the workspace. So today I'm going to show you how to duplicate a list on ClickUp. Check video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. So let's start. First, open the ClickUp application and log into your account. Once you're logged in, you will be taken to the home page. In this page, tap on the freelance icon at top left corner of the screen. A panel will appear at the left side, and here, tap on Spaces. In this list of spaces, select the one that contains the list that you want to duplicate. Once you have found the list, simply tap on it. Now, in this page, tap on this three dots icon at the top right corner of the screen. After that, a window with various options will appear, and here, since you wanted to duplicate this list, simply tap on this duplicate option. A menu will pop up, and here, you can change some details of this duplicated list, such as the name and the location. Once you are done changing, simply tap on this confirm option to save the changes. After that, you now have successfully duplicated a list on ClickUp. The list is now ready to be customized for your new project or recurring task. There you go. If you wanted to know how to duplicate a list on ClickUp, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way to duplicate a list on ClickUp, leave a comment below. Also, be sure to subscribe for more videos.